In today's tech tip, I'm going to show you how to enable MMS, or Multimedia Messaging Service, on your iPhone. For this demo, I'm using an iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16. But don't worry, these steps work on most iPhone models. Let's get started. First, open up your settings. Now scroll down and tap on Messages. Once you're inside the Messages settings, scroll down again until you see the option for MMS messaging. If it's turned off, you'll see the toggle is gray. Just tap it to turn it on. When it turns green, that means MMS is now enabled, and that's it. That's how you turn on multimedia messaging service on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and good luck.